So I'm Brett Smith. I am a principal software developer. I work at SAS Institute. I was on the architect team previously, and I designed out all the pipelines that we use to build our software, and I am currently the security lead of R&D. SAS Institute is an analytics, artificial intelligence, and data management company. Our flagship product is SAS Viya. It's a cloud-native AI analytics platform. And we also have solutions for IoT, fraud, security intelligence, and risk management. So in my previous life, I was either architected, designed, or helped design most of the pipelines that build the Viya product suite. In my current role, I am I'm called the security swarm lead, and my job is to help with EO 14028 compliance, SSDF compliance, and ISO 27001, and we're driving security back into the supply chain as part of the job I'm on now. JFrog customer, and we've been using Artifactory for about 10 years. You can't do Java work without Artifactory. So my talk title is Supply Chain Robots, Electric Sheep, and SLSA. So anything that we produce through the supply chain is an electric sheep, and our job is to shepherd them through the supply chain safely. And it's also a reference to Blade Runner. It's about the pitfalls we've run into, the holes I dug building out these pipelines, and how I'm going to fill those holes back in with security. And security at scale. And security and compliance are not the same thing, but you have to have compliance because EO 14028 is going to require us to have this attestation, which involves compliance. But a part of the compliance is, are we doing our security best practices? Security is everyone's responsibility now, and you have to drive that security into every piece of the supply chain. Once you have a supply chain that can produce a secure product, use that supply chain to build your supply chain. So Bill Manning's doing a talk on SBOMs, and SBOMs are a big piece of how we're planning on securing the supply chain, and they're also a large part of the EO 14028 attestation. So I'm really looking forward to see what JFrog has in store for SBOMs. When I head back to campus, the first thing I'm going to do is I want JFrog curation. I need it to protect my supply chain immediately. So that is the first product that I'm going to go ask for, and then we'll go talk about X-Ray. And I love the new features in curation and the ability to block malicious packages before they get to your Artifactory instance. I like X-Ray's ability to continuously scan the packages you have in your Artifactory, and you can't do Java without Artifactory.